channel. If you have come here for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video, guys. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And yes, 18s, today's 80s reaction is very special because firstly, I'm going to be reacting to two videos. That's one. And second, because it's our leader's birthday, it's Hongjoong's birthday. So basically the first video that I'm going to be reacting to is of course their newly released MV. Not really MV, it's like a performance video. This is the Black Cat Nero Halloween performance video. That's the first video I'm going to be reacting to, and because it's our beloved leader's birthday, I am going to be reacting to one of Hongjoong's compilation. So yes, because it's going to be two videos, so without delaying this, let's first react to the Black Cat Nero Halloween performance. Now I know when I was typing this song, this of course the 80s one was the first recommendation, but I saw that there were like few other groups which has done this. So I think this is a song which has already been covered before by a group called Turbo. Yeah, I think so. That's the name that I remember. But I did not listen to their version. So I do not know how the song sounds. I'm directly gonna be watching the 80s video. So yes, let's start the Black Cat Nero. The thumbnail is so scary in a good way, if you know what I mean. Okay, let's start. Ooh. Yes, KQ. Oh, there are no subtitles? Why? How will I know the meaning of the song? 18s, help me. Oh man, look at where I've paused. Whew! My god, look, I love Sans. I think Sans' makeup is the most intense. His makeup is the most intense in terms of the scary look. Look at how much makeup he has done. Others are still looking not that scary. Okay. Song was a literal vampire. He looks so beautiful. Yo, Yasu. Happy birthday! 80s. Nothing out here. Turbo! Oh, see, he said Turbo 80s. So it's basically, so they have credited the original group that has performed this song. Oh. See, I'm still listening very carefully.
Turbo 80s. Nothing out here.
Oh my god! Okay. Wow, Mingy looks great. Oh, I love this. That was thumbnail.
넌 어려서 안 돼. 했더니만 새스럽게도 내 팔에 매달려서 우는 거야. 그래서 나는 섹스필 매달려서 손가락에
He looks amazing. Literal vampire. He looks great. His makeup is amazing. Oh! I like the steps. I love this intense rock. Now this is something that I have not listened in K-pop. This is the first time like this intense rock sort of like this music, and I love this guitar part. Oh my god. And they look amazing. They all, eight of them are just where to look, where to look, Etinis. All of them are looking so nice. Oh my god, Mingy looks great. But my favorite, like the makeup wise, I love San's look the most. I love how is wearing this skin shirt which has tattoos on it because he does not have tattoos. So that's cute. That's cute. Woo! Oh my god. This is everything I want.
한숨을 쉬면 큰일 났지 하면서 화내는 스스로 같은 꼬마
Oh, there are girls also. I like.
내부터 글쎄 유치원하겠다
Why only two girls are there? I mean, just asking.
널렁이다면 날 치고 흉내내는 것만 너무 귀여워서 답답하답다 안아주고 파
멋쟁이 그대가 사뿐히 걸어가면 무서운 고양이 뒤따라와
Yo, some baby boy. You know what I'm saying.
후회를 한다 해도 나는 몰라요 검은
Yes! Go, Moya! I like this step.
검은 고양이 내로 이랬다 저래 나들랑 부르기 Let me hear the voice hitting mark to your tinny
Put 'em up, your hands, the already
Are you guys ready?
I'm ready. Born ready.
Together.
Say 1, 2, let's go
Yes! I'm sorry, I just every time I don't know what to tell you guys. They're awesome, man. They're awesome. Awesome is an understatement. They're epic. They're really epic. They really deserve more attention. They're epic, man. I love them. Oh, who's that? Who's that? Who is this person? Oh! Is he the original person who sang the one of? Is he from Turbo? Because 80s, they said 80s Turbo in the beginning. So is he the person? Huh? The original? If he is, then oh wow. That would have been such a big shock for everybody because I do not know exactly who he is. This is just my guesswork. Because otherwise, why this reveal would have been done? And I'm guessing he is from Turbo. Yes, if he is at the center, then I'm sure he is the original person who sang this song. One of the original, because I'm guessing Turbo is a group. I didn't check them out, but I'm guessing he's one of the main vocalists in there. Let me know, engineers! Oh! That note! No. I had not watched the teaser. I had not watched the teaser for this. That when the teaser had dropped, because I wanted to watch the video directly. That note that he pulled at the end. I don't know at this point. I don't know what to tell. I just love. Look at the performance. Look at the screen presence. Look at the choreography. Look at the makeup. Look at the vocals. It's just it's a perfect 10. It's a perfect 10, guys. It's a perfect 10. I love them. I love them. They just never fail to impress me. They have really impressed and made an impact on my heart. This is just amazing. They're just amazing. I love the talent that they have. My goodness. I really every time I watch them, I just from my heart I wish them all the best. That they get more and more recognition with every video that they make, every passing year, every passing month. Because I feel they really deserve it. They are an ultra talented, man. They're ultra talented. Whoo! Oh my god. I'm tired. I mean, I'm tired in a good way. I'm tired because my heart is beating really fast looking at this performance. Okay, yes. Okay, gather your thoughts. Alright. The next video, I really liked it, but let's move on to the next video because then otherwise it will become a very, very long video. The next video that I'm going to be reacting to is... Drum roll! Iconic Hongjoong moments that we should never forget. That's the video. It's like a 10-minute compilation, so I'm really excited. I think this is the first 80s compilation video that I'm going to be reacting to. So yeah, I'm super duper excited. Very, very happy birthday to this amazing person, amazing leader Hongjoong. I'm really stoked and looking forward to see his moments because I have really not checked out how 80s are like, on camera when they're doing goofy stuff. I have been told that they are crackheads, but I've never really checked it out. So this is like my first experience of them checking, experience of me checking them out in their funny avatar, if I should say so. So yeah, without delaying this, let's check iconic Hongjoong moments we should never forget. Okay.
Welcome back to my channel where I bully ATs.
제가 어린 애기들을 되게 좋아한단 말이에요.
어린 애기들을
Songwa loves babies?
동영상 빨간 그거에 약간 애기들을 이렇게 모아둔.
Really? So this is something I didn't know.
이렇게
오구오구해?
이렇게 그런 맘마 먹자 뭐 이런 얘기 많이 하잖아요.
Songwa has the most awkward smile that I've ever seen.
아무것도 준비 안 하고 갑자기 킨 거라서.
그러면 누구부터 할래요? 그러면 누구부터 할래요?
맞았어
그러면
다 먹었어요? 네.
So is Wooyoung the one who likes to be very touchy with the members? Because he that looks like that to me. Let me know.
제가 그래서 생각한 주관적인 제 잘생긴 순위는
메이크업 한 후?
홍준 씨?
I need to start watching their reels also. I'll add them.
1등부터 하는 거예요? 올 때부터. 그러면 빨리 불러주고 끝내게요.
그래서 1등부터 할게요.
1등부터면 제가 좀 기다려도 될 것 같아요.
그러니까 저 기대도 돼요. 하지 말까요?
1등 할게요. 1등 여상이.
예!
1등은 바라지 않았어요.
2등.
I got couple ice cream with Hongjoong. Songwa. He just kept it aside. The moment Songwa said I got couple ice cream with Hongjoong, he just kept aside. Oh my god. So is this a famous unit, Songhwa and Hongjung, like how it is with other groups? Let me know. What are the famous friendship units here? You know? And what are they called? Please do let me know, 18As.
에 초콜릿이 묻었구나. 아니네, 입에 잘생김이 묻었네.
They're such a beautiful guy. See what cutie pie.
밥 먹을 때마다 진짜 귀여운 게 입가에.
So next we were trying hot Cheetos.
Hot Cheeto.
Flaming hot.
Korean famous food.
Korea famous food.
Cheetos is famous in Korea too.
Oh, I love how he's speaking English. They all can speak. Can they all speak like not? I'm not saying fluent, but generally like basic.
Hongjung's. Yeah, thank you.
Hongjung is beautiful, man.
Wow.
He can't have spicy food.
I'm very salty.
I wouldn't mind having that because I love spicy food. I love spicy food. So if I get hot Cheetos, then I'll really enjoy them.
But I'm especially bad at hot food. So.
이건 아니지. 무기로 때려야 돼. 야, 이건 아니지.
Hongjung actually feels pretty awkward, huh? Gorgeous, man. They are so gorgeous. I'm just saying. He's like, why am I the leader? Oh, he likes Camilla?
Yeah, we already saw that. That's so hot.
Yes, it is very hot.
Yeah, we already saw that. That's so hot. So, I can't watch that.
He's like, that's so hot, I can't watch that. Oh my god. Why is he like this? Why is he like this? Huh? Oh, what happened? What happened? Oh my god. I hope my Wi-Fi is working. Ah, it's working.
Yeah.
You can't watch it? Why?
So hot.
Yeah, it's so hot.
He can't watch it. I'm not surprised. That's okay. That's okay.
우리가 어디로 누가 혹시 그리스 한번 하고 바깥에
Chris who?
바깥에
Chris who?
Korean big minion.
I feel. Why do I feel that they bully Hongjung a lot? I am getting that feeling. Let me know.
And me and is love Shawn Mendes like
Okay.
poker style.
love Shawn Mendes. He's so great.
Really?
Camila Cabello.
So
So hot! Oh, see, look at so they are a unit. They are a unit. So they are like one of the units that people like. Okay, so Songwan, you are sleeping.
Billie Jean.
He's a baby.
울지 마. 골반 타이트 잡아주세요.
불러 이은.
Yeah.
already lost.
No.
They reacted to Idol when?
It's just breathe. Just breathing.
민기야 이렇게 된 거 다 이겨버려 너가.
그래, 너 다 이기면 돼. 얘가 다 이기면 돼. 아니, 시작해요. Hey, Max, one tip. 아, 죄송합니다. 인정했어.
Ooh, look at that hairstyle on him. I like that.
내년에서 내후년.
왜 점점 멀어져? 너 그렇게 내가 그렇게 꿈을 작게 가지라고 가르쳤어?
내년.
우리 이쪽 친구들
진짜. Twisted young and wild, we gonna fight. You are too
Wonderland!
이해노 피아스에 맞는 게 누나 함께 되면서 어떻게 꿈들도 샤로 짱처럼 like beat up.
Yes, this is an iconic moment. This is an iconic moment.
저희는 또
Oh, was that another Halloween performance? I have not seen that. Of course, I have not seen many of their videos, but do let me know. Do let me know.
또 배우가 잘하잖아요. 그래서 hip birthday 야. hip birthday.
Hey!
아 옷이 됐어요. 아. 풀어버려.
Why does this bunny look familiar to me? I don't know. For some reason, it looks familiar. So they are very chaotic.
최정호 씨, 그 사과 쪼개는 영상으로 되게 유명하시던데 어떻게 하면 그런 아이디어를 낼 수 있으신가요?
Hongjong is a baby.
네, 최정호 씨.
겉에 상자로 보면 약간 피자 상자.
아, 네. 비유가 아주 좋네요.
네.
아, 너 주름 좀 피자.
I want to see that again. That was funny.
겉에 상자로 보면 약간 피자 상자.
아, 네. 비유가 아주 좋네요.
네.
아, 너 주름 좀 피자.
Songwa has the most awkward smile. I swear. He wants chicken. He likes chicken. Oh, it's the YouTube for this thing.
기시계도 좀 피고.
자 이게
머리도 좀 피자.
He's a baby. They're so beautiful. Where was this concert? I'm guessing it's a concert. So I feel I'm seeing that out of all, Hongjong's hairstyle keeps changing. So I'm guessing he likes to experiment with his hair. That's what I'm guessing. Let me know. He's a baby leader. Baby. I love their bond also. I can see how close they are. I can see how close they are. They are literally bullying him. I think they love to bully Hongjong. They love to bully their leader. Is he? I don't know who's the oldest actually here. I don't remember. I had seen their birthdays, but I don't remember who's like the oldest. And I know Jungho is the youngest. That is something that I know clearly. But rest of the members, I do not know the age sequence. So do let me know.
나는 그럼 나에게 관심이 없던 홍준이로 하겠다. 홍준이로 하겠다. 나 사실
Yes, they are a unit.
나 별로 신랑이 되기 싫었어. 자, 신랑.
What the fuck?
He likes being close to the members. I thought he initially I got the idea maybe that he feels awkward.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
Are they the closest? Hongjung and Songhwa? I feel that because they have their bond. I'm finding it much closer. Like he feels much more closer in terms of their friendship. It could be possible, right? What's over?
Hey, can you just say my name, Bob?
See, look at his hairstyle again. So I feel.
Hey, can you just say my name?
Say my name. Yes, I know they have a song called. Oh, it's over. They have a song called Say My. Okay, wait. Let me stop this. Say My Name. They have a song called Say My Name. I know that. I know that. I know that. I have to react to more. I am going by the storyline. I'm going by the storyline. Okay. So that was iconic Hongjung moments that I should remember, and I will remember them. Now, what I got from this video is that Hongjung and Songhwa are very close. They are like, I feel they are very close in terms from, he feels more comfortable with him than with any other member. Of course, he's the leader, so I'm sure he has a very unique bond with other members also. But overall, I felt that ATEEZ also are very close to each other. They're very comfortable with each other. They are very chaotic, and I feel that they love to bully. They love to bully Hongjung. That's the feeling I got, that they really love to bully him. Do let me know. And yes, I had a lot of fun watching both the videos. The performance video was insane. They are performers. They really are. Their screen presence, their stage presence, just amazing. So yes, as years pass by, I hope they achieve more and more success. And I know that the Mama nominations are out, so a lot of people are voting. I wish ATEEZ all the best. I hope that they win a couple of awards. I really want them to. And happy birthday to the beloved, the sweetest, cutest leader, baby. I feel he's a baby, Hongjung. I love him. I still don't know who my bias is there in ATEEZ. Very difficult. I'll probably, because I think the more videos of ATEEZ that I see, then only I'll figure out who my bias is. But even if I don't have one, I'm okay with that. But I don't know, I always get the feeling that maybe Hongjung will end up being my bias. You know, sometimes you get that feeling from heart. So I feel more inclined towards Hongjung overall. If you know, I close my eyes and think of one person in ATEEZ, so that is sort of maybe Hongjung. So yeah, I think maybe he is my bias in ATEEZ. So yeah guys, that was my reaction to the two videos of ATEEZ. Wishing Hongjung again a very happy birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please send in your best wishes in the comment section below to Hongjung. And yes, the next ATEEZ video is going to be as per sequence. I think after Treasure, what is the song? Say My Name? That's the one I think after Treasure I'm supposed to react to. So yes guys, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.